Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today I'll show you how to make your own crayon shapes. And first, you'll need the mold, a cup to pour it in, and some crayons, and your own microwave. Now let's get started. Yeah! Now you could choose your colors and peel off the labels. Okay, and now you could put these colors of crayons to the side, and now you don't have to use that anymore. So we're just working with these crayons. You can put these in different cups so you can melt them. And some colors you can mix. It's time for melting. And now the crayons are finished melting, and you could pour them into a mold now, but if it's too hot for you, you could let your parent help you. The next step is to wait for them to dry. After 30 minutes, the crayon will dry. You peel all the sides, and you see a little crack in the middle. You could do this, and it'll fall out. But this one I don't think you do because it should peel out. Now we successfully made our shape the way we want to, and now you can write with these. So this one's a milkshake, and this one's a fries that goes with the milkshake. And this is crayon is for my dog, but I don't think he can use it yet. So I'm just gonna write with it. Let's figure out if they work just like crayons. This one seems good. This one does too. And finally, the purple one. It got a little chunk at the end, but overall, all of them look good. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!